local soil for pottery. That's why I set this up as an alternative livelihood for the community. Pottery has three types. Merong earthenware, stoneware, and porcelain. Earthenware is low part in yung mga puspuso lutuan na ginagawa sa Amerika. Stoneware and porcelain are high card, specialized in stoneware. Niluluto ng 2,350 degrees. Around Sagada, we get the plate tested at that temperature. If it's good, we get it in bulk, soak it in water, and then we save it until it goes through pottery. Pag lumabas doon, for pottery, we have to let it dry for 3 to 4 months. Age for at least 3 weeks into ang exporter. Hindi po pulutin ito, ang pwede na dito, kailangan i-test na ng proseso kasi hindi lang ang white plate, hindi lang. Now I'll show you the making of the pot and a demo view of 442.7 and 240 inch of your if somebody wants to try this maybe we can get one. We're gonna have to center. In order to center, you need to feel the pressure from the heat. Once it's centered, I have to start with the cylinder. To make a cylinder, I have to turn the plate from the bottom to the top right. I'm moving the more pressure from my head and going to the center. We want to maintain the
Mar, wala na. Wala na.
Kamay ko po ang magpapakontrol sa plane at the table tension hands. The plane is running down. This is a very basic shape from here. You can make a jar, a bowl, or different shapes. Right now po, mas malakas yung pressure sa loob ng kamay. Nakapalabas yung wire. Here in the middle, pressure from your right. Pushing it inwards and now down. Then outwards at the top, like that. Pwede pa ginaro lang ito sa gitna. Enhance the shape with the heat, makes it a little bit second. Try natin isang tabo, baka mag-edit sa huling section. Paikot natin ito. Pwede rin maging pichel pag lagyan ng muso. Wow, nakagusto niya siya. That's all I can do now. I'm gonna try to find this out to find this. But I'm not going to show the bottom of the menu that will enhance the menu. Let me write one more curve. Lagyan natin sa oven for 8 hours of fire and wait for it to cool down. We bring it out and apply the glaze. The glaze gives the color and makes it shiny, but it doesn't come out upon application. It has to go through the oven for another 8 to 10 hours. Thanks, fire.